Hi, this is Isadora from Curvaceous Belly Dance, and I am talking to you today about using your phone as your main camera for your meetings, your workshops, your classes, for everything. Like most times, if you are interested or if you really like what you got, you can definitely send some money to the PayPal link. But let's get started. Why are we talking about phones and our cameras? Let's be honest that webcams themselves have a long way to go. The tech is about 8 years old, and there hasn't been a big need for people to actually upgrade. So you get things like this. This one right here, hello, is my integrated webcam. This one tends to be very yellow. It's actually doing not so bad with some natural sunlight. It tends to be, in my case, a bit light greedy. It overshines the light quite a bit. And it's just not a really great resolution in comparison to what I can get from other tech. So that's why I have switched to using my phone. So this is me using an app program. So that's one option. Your next option is actually using your phone straight into a regular Zoom account. The majority of people are probably actually using this method right here. That one is where you log straight on to Zoom with your own account, and then you run a computer or a tablet next to it as your main source of actual information, because working on Zoom is tricky on your phone. Some people are probably even trying to do the whole thing through their phone. That's not as much fun. So these are your different options, and you can definitely see there is a quality difference. When we're doing movement, you can see that some of them have more lag. You get a lot more of the drag, especially if your lighting is off. Um, so there's different reasons why you would do each one. I'm going to say personally, my favorite is the one we're going to talk about now, which is switching over to an app. So here we go. Now, there's two main apps. I mean, there's a lot of different apps, but the main apps that I'm going to be talking about is one for Android phones and one for iPhones. The first one is DroidCam, which is the one I'm currently using. I'm using the free version. It works with pretty much everything. The one downside I have found currently with it is that the free version only allows for landscape, which is a bit of a downer, but it's free and it's one option. It also has inside of the app choices for fixing the white balance. There's about 5 or 6 different versions of how you can adjust that. There's also there's another couple settings. Those come with you for free. You can also use the front camera or the back camera. There's also the option to do the paid program, which is like $4.99, that can also give you more settings, including portrait, some light, more light, and zoom options. So those are your different choices. That is a really great way to switch your phone into a into a webcam, because the megapixels on your phone are just far superior to what most of the webcams are out there. The Epoch Cam is the same thing. You can get the free version, or again, I think theirs is $4.99 as well. That one is exclusively for iPhones. I don't have an iPhone, so I can't help you there. Using these apps, I'm going to show you how I actually use my app. So in order to use these programs, what you need to do is go to the Play Store or whatever program you use, and you download the app. It's going to be either these two options, or you can try another one. Again, I'm going to mostly talk about DroidCam right now. But what you're going to need to do with DroidCam is you need to download it onto your phone as an app, and go to your computer and download the app as well. You need to have the app on both the device you plan on using for Zoom as well as your phone. Every time that you want to use the cam, you will need to log both devices in and make sure the app is running. That is the only downside. I do know the Epoch Cam will automatically turn both devices on once you log on. So that is one benefit to that, but it's for iPhones. If you don't have an iPhone, it doesn't matter. So once we've logged on, it's super easy. You're going to go into Zoom and you're going to pick your video options. You're going to find that little up arrow and you're going to go straight into the select camera. Once you go into the select camera, you're going to pick your Droid Cam, and then it is that simple. From there, you can choose to make any adjustments that you'd like to your camera. Obviously, you can do your mirror, the touch up. You'll have much more options on this sort of camera because the quality is so much higher. You will actually see some improvement on the touch up appearance or adjust for low light. In my integrated webcam, it is so bad you really get almost zero change because it can only get so good. You can definitely use those to fix things up. Otherwise, it's really a simple thing to do and a really great choice to play around and see which choice you want. There is even more expensive webcam apps that you can choose and look into, but for most people at the level of dance teacher or student or hosting, these are a really great way to improve your quality of what you're producing without much fuss or knowledge. So anyway, I hope you'll give this a try and let me know what you think. Um, and there you go. So it's super simple. You can now use your phone in several different ways. You guys have a great day. Thanks so much again for following Shimmy Tech. Please like my videos if you like them. Ask questions in the comments. I'd love to hear more and know more what you're interested in learning about. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.